So now let's talk about how to download Python onto our computer. So the first step is to open your favorite browser. And in this case, I have this browser. So the first thing you probably have to do is go to google.com and just search for Python. Now, you will see this search results. Just click on this welcome to python.org. You will see Python website like this. Just hover the mouse on the downloads and click on the download button based on the current version of operating system you are using. In this case, I am using Windows. So I'll just click on Python 3.12.5. This is the latest version as of my time I'm recording this video. So I'll easily click on this Python and I have already downloaded it. So I'll just click on OK and this is it. Now click on open to install Python. I already have Python installed. So this is what we're going to do. Just click on the install. But in my case, I am going to click on the modify because I already have Python installed already. It's just an easy step to pass through. Just click on next, install, and you're good to go. Now, after installation completed successfully, click on close. Now, to see that or to confirm that your Python has successfully been installed onto your computer, this is what you want to do. You have to click on the start button, search for CMD. Now, with this CMD, all you have to do is just type Python. And now you will see Python 3.12.5 as of the latest version I downloaded. Right, now from here you can see we can start writing some Python commands or Python codes. We can say hello equals to, then we add a string hello. Now we can print hello and that should probably return hello, meaning our Python has been successfully set up. If you have any problem or any challenges concerning the installation process, don't hesitate to let me know either in the comment section below or in the questions and answers tab, and I will be happy to get back to you as quick as possible for your answers. Thank you very much, and let's meet on our next video.